This is the planet Earth, the third planet away from the sun.
There are 7 oceans on Earth that cover 71% of Earth's surface.
As the sun rises in the early morning, the dawn of a new day begins.
Far below the ocean's surface live several thriving ecosystems. Within the waters of the Pacific Ocean that opposite California roams the seafloor, also known as the Flapjack Octopus.
Octopus soup. Sounds delicious.
Ew, how can you eat that? Look, there it is.
What? Where is it? I don't see it.
You missed it.
I missed it? That's not fair. I wanted to see it. Aww. The Flapjack Octopus belongs to the kingdom Animalia, phylum Mollusca, class Cephalopoda, order Octopoda, family Opisthotheridae, and genus Opisthotheris. That's a mouthful. This just means that they come from a long lineage. The Flapjack Octopus is a type of pelagic umbrella octopus, uniquely identified by their webbing. Yes, I said webbing, and not the type that a spider makes. This is a webbing that connects each leg, so that when this octopus swims, it forms the shape of an umbrella. Kind of funny, isn't it?
The Flapjack Octopus lives in the twilight zone, a part of the ocean where sunlight can hardly be reached.
Baby Flapjack octopi are born when male octopi inject their sperm into a female's mantle cavity. A female can have a clutch of up to about 225 to 475 eggs. Imagine having that many siblings.
Fun fact, the Flapjack Octopus is so cute that scientists consider naming it Adorabilis. After the babies are born, their mom spends the rest of her lifespan taking care of the young until they are mature enough and can start a family. After the babies are born and mature into adulthood, they turn into an orangey reddish color. When the Flapjack Octopus mature enough, it turns into an orangey reddish color. They turn into orangey reddish color with a squishy, slimy texture. The Flapjack Octopus spends most of its day resting on the seafloor, having large arthropods looking to make a meal out of it and searching for prey. This octopus eats small fish, crustaceans, and other small critters hidden within the sand and sediment.
After locating its prey, this octopus will draw as near as possible. Then it will begin flattening itself into a pancake-like shape, hence Flapjack Octopus. The octopus does this to appear less threatening, not to scare off the little fella. Then it'll wait a couple moments before it'll pounce on its prey and use its tough beak located on the bottom of its body in between all of its tentacles to eat the little fellow up. However, whenever there is a predator nearby, this little fella just jumps away and swims away looking for the nearest crevice to hide in. This just means it looks into a small space to squeeze inside of, which makes it especially easy because this octopus doesn't have any bones. When swimming in the ocean, this octopus uses 3 body features to swim. They have ear-shaped little fins at the tippity top of their head, and they have a little funnel on their side of their body called a siphon to help it steer, and they push water in and out, unlike many other octopuses with their legs. Also does not have ink or a camouflage feature. This is due to the fact that because it lives so deep in the ocean that there is hardly any sunlight, it would not make a difference if it would camouflage into the background because everything is dark. Not only that, but this octopus also lacks a radula, which is a mouth scraping feature that most octopus have to help them eat. Joke time! How does the police octopus chase speeding octopi?
How?
With an octocopter. Talk about a smart cookie. The Flapjack Octopus has 9 brains, 1 for each leg, and 1 central brain to control everything. Oh, if only he could do my math homework. The average size of a Flapjack Octopus is up to 20 centimeters, the males being a larger size than the female. Their bodies are composed of 8 legs, short legs with webbing in between, a beak at the bottom, a mantle, a siphon, 2 large, dark eyes, a round head, and fins at the top. 2 fins to be.
The Flapjack Octopus has suckers at the end of their tentacles that help them stick. It also has a shell that supports its fin and protect its body along with 3 hearts. Boom, boom, boom.
What color is your blood? Mine is red, and I'm sure yours is as well. Shockingly enough, the Flapjack Octopus's blood is actually blue. This is due to years of evolution in living in cold water. The exact lifespan of a Flapjack Octopus is yet to be determined. However, scientists assume that it ranges from 1.5 years up to nearly 2.5 years. Fun fact, the Flapjack Octopus is also known as a ghost octopus, or also referred to as a devilfish. Although the Flapjack Octopus is a common creature and can be found in nearly any ocean, and has been caught by several fishermen before, this little sneaky fellow wasn't officially identified until the mid-20th century, which is still fairly recent, by S. Stillman Barry, an American marine zoologist and due to the fact that this octopus lives in extremely deep and dark water, and because it has been identified just fairly recently, there isn't a lot of research on this octopus. Despite the Flapjack Octopus's shy behavior, it actually managed to land a role in the Disney movie Finding Nemo as Pearl. And for the joke of the day,
And the joke is, what do octopuses wear?
a coat of arms! Although it's been fun teaching you about the Flapjack Octopus, it's about time to start wrapping up.
Time to go. Bye, guys. Until next time.
So, until next time, bye!